Alright, welcome back. I thought I would do a quick video on how to take a JPEG logo and make it transparent background, and also we will optimize the size of it. So this will just be taking this logo, which we can probably drag in here to have a look, and you can see that this logo has a gray background, but we want to put this on a page where it doesn't have a gray background, and it would be better if it was transparent. So a quick tool that I found to remove the background from these types of images is remove.bg.ai. So all you have to do with this is grab your logo JPEG and you can drag it in here and it will make this into a transparent background, and then all we have to do is download, and that's downloaded our logo with remove background, and I'll just put that in our working directory over here. So now we have our logo remove background preview, but you can see if you look at the file size, you can just see it there, that it is 103 kilobytes now, that it's converted it to PNG, which is pretty massive to use on the web. So now we'll need to optimize this, so we can just rename this back to logo.png. And another website I use to optimize these is TinyPNG. All you do is drag your PNG logo and it will optimize this image down to 76k. So now we can, oh, actually it saved even more than that, it's down to 29k. So our original image was 37k, then we converted it into this unoptimized image, and now we can make it even smaller, ready for using on a website. We'll just have a look at this one and it should have our transparent background, and it is optimized. So we'll just download this one as well and I'll copy that over. So this is our optimized version, and you don't lose anything from this. I think it just changes the PNG file to indexed rather than it having the full palette range. So we just drag that in here, and you can't see that it's transparent, but the remove BG's done a pretty good job. It hasn't left any clipping on the edges, and that is it. So that is how you take a JPEG logo with a background color, make it transparent, and optimize it ready for use on the web. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.